Yo, what's up? My name is DeQuarius, and I share content that's going to help enrich your confidence, improve the quality of your relationships, man. I got to talk about this Greek yogurt and how it's going to improve your skincare in a very inexpensive way. If you're looking to improve your skincare, man, Greek yogurt is legit. I've been trying this process for a couple of weeks now from the time of this video, and I must say, man, I'm really enjoying the results from this. I wish this was something that I had learned back in high school because, man, I was so insecure with my skin. And so just finding different ways to improve my skin quality, like utilizing Greek yogurt is just a very inexpensive way to really be able to improve your skin quality. There's so many different things that Greek yogurt provides as far as just the internal process. And I talk about this in my videos as far as making sure that you eat, drink plenty of water, eat natural foods in its natural form like fruits and veggies, and just ultimately refraining from any type of high sugar content foods or sodas, drinks, sweet teas, things like that. And drinking plenty of water and reducing stress and getting plenty of sleep. These are essential things that you need to improve the quality of your skin and overall your health and mental health. And probiotics is highly rich in Greek yogurt. So probiotics is good for gut health, which is basically like the engine of your car. Okay. You have a good engine, your car is going to sustain very long, and it's the same goes for your gut health. So Greek yogurt is very rich in probiotics, which will give you a lot of good benefits concerning your gut health, which will ultimately improve your immune system, improve and reduce inflammation, provide weight loss. There's so many different benefits with having a good probiotic diet into your routine. And so just most importantly, working on that internal process more than external is going to help improve the chances of your your external process, your face and your overall look is going to show itself when you're taking care of yourself eternally. Okay. But going into the benefits of Greek yogurt on your face, it does help with acne and bumps. So that's most importantly, if you have eczema of any form, that's going to be very beneficial to help you with eczema. If you have any type of skin condition, having a great probiotic diet is going to help. But this on your face is going to help reduce the wrinkles. So if you want an anti-aging, process that's very inexpensive, Greek yogurt does wonders. As well as, helping with the uneven skin tones on your face. I know, for myself that had that with me being in the sun a lot, this was something that I definitely was looking into because at the end of the day, if you, suffer with any type of, sun rays effectiveness of just, having an uneven skin tones, Greek yogurt provides that shine and protects you from that. Because of the fact it's an anti-inflammatory agent, it's going to help reduce the amount of inflammation that actually takes place on your face and actually reduces the skin conditions that you may face with just being outside. Okay. But also too, again, it does provide a great moisturizer. So if you struggle with dehydration in your face and you want something to provide a natural moisturizer for your face, Greek yogurt does so many wonders for you, man. So just eating this as well as putting this on your face, you can even put this stuff in your hair, man, which I haven't even done yet. But I will probably be doing a video on that just because of the fact I'm really enjoying this process with Greek yogurt so far and just so many of the benefits that it provides for your body. So if you haven't gotten Greek yogurt, if you, don't like the taste of Greek yogurt by itself, just mix it with some type of fruit like blueberries, because blueberries is also a probiotic. You can definitely add a double, whammy as far as just getting you the extra benefits you need for the benefits that you want to provide. Like it shows here, it's billions of probiotics into this actual product. So guys, it's just a no-brainer. This is an internal process as well as an external process to help enrich your face and give you the skin tone that you desire. Okay, so you just leave this on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then as you can see right now, it's pretty much dried in. Okay, I typically do this right before I jump into the shower just because the fact I want to just wash it off as I'm showering, and pretty much it's gonna give me that, refreshing look, as you're gonna see in the next slide. Okay, but as I said, man, Greek yogurt is definitely a lot of benefits. And I just want to just give you guys some content that's going to help, enrich your confidence, improve the quality of your relationships. Because if you feel good about yourself, then you can be able to be a better individual overall, because of the fact you're taking the time to, provide self-care in yourself, and how you treat yourself, and how you're eternalizing yourself by eating good things that are going to add good value to your life, as far as your body and your health. Okay, and it's also good for mental health, which is also things that I talk about in my videos, as far as what I'm going to be sharing to help you improve your mental health. So if you like content like this, things that's going to help improve your overall being, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm just sharing content in real time of things that have been helping me, just improving myself, my self-care, but also just wanted to advocate this for those of you that just want to, get a real-time information from someone that's been practicing it for a couple of weeks. I can definitely give my stamp of approval with this product. It's very inexpensive. You can get a bucket of, Greek yogurt for less than, $10, depending on where you're at, so it just really depends. But for the most part, I definitely think it's just worth trying and putting into your face. You can utilize this every day. Some people even mix this with honey, which is also another probiotic, a very inflammatory agent, to be able to help improve your immune system, but also, again, help with your skincare, which I will be talking about in another video, mixing it with honey. But just using plain yogurt itself does wonders for you. So if you want to get more related content on improving your self-care and just ultimately being a better individual, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and definitely tell me in the comments below how this experiment has been working with you with Greek yogurt. Okay, and again, my name is Dequarius. Thank you again for tuning in, and check out my other videos if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.